Hi everyone, it's Felix from Inclusive Music, and today we're going to set a new speed record for creating an introduction in BandLab. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Choose a loop pack. Find a beat. Drag it in. Drag it to the beginning. Next, a bass. 15 seconds. Some keys, synths or piano. 4 tracks is all you need. Take the drums, drag them all the way, 30 seconds to bar 17. Move the bass, start it at bar 5, move it, drag it to bar 17. Get the keys, start them at bar 9, drag to bar 17, 45 seconds. Finally, a melody or a tune, drag it to bar 17 and stop. Play it. The standard has been set. The challenge is on. Can you produce an introduction in BandLab in less than 52 seconds? Have a go and let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed the challenge, like the video and subscribe. Don't miss the next Speed Songwriting Challenge, the Speed Chorus.